how to add a gradient color in Figma. So right now you can see there's a background and it almost is like two rectangle, but the fact is that it's a background and a rectangle, or you can call it a square. And the background is a little bit different, as you may notice. It's more like gradient, but the rectangle is a solid color. So if you want to experiment more with colors and you want to make it more like unique in your own ways, then you might want to like add a gradient just like the background and this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So simply let's say I want to change this rectangle color into more like gradient color. Simply tap into the object, in this case the rectangle, and you can see the property panel at the right sidebar. Go to the fill section. So this is basically like where you choose the color. You can choose any color you'd like. I want to make it more like blue. So these are all this mini, as you can see, like stuff. So this is solid and there's option of gradient. Since we're going to change into gradient, simply tap into the gradient option. Now there are two color options, so you can choose from here by tapping into this color box. I want to make it more darker, and one would be way lighter because you want to see the difference at the end of the day. So alright, maybe I want to make it more lighter, or you can also simply choose another color. Like, yeah, I think I want to stick it to like blue. The other way more lighter. This is one way. Another way is that you can also choose in which way you want the gradient to appear, like whether you want it to be linear or radial. So, can you see the difference? Like radial is like this, or you want to opt for more like angular or even diamond. I think this looks more like dramatic, so I'm going to stick to this one. So this is basically how you can add a gradient. And you can also, let's say, okay, over here, change the like how gradient you want it to be. Right now it's 100. I'm going to make it more up to 50. Let's see how it changes it. See, can you see any difference? Like, let's make it more like tone it down to 80. You can definitely see the difference. Like you can simply play around with all the settings, and once you're satisfied with the result, you can simply leave it up there. So that's it. This is how you can add gradient color in your object. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Figma tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.